Hey everyone, if you're trying to install AppFlowy and keep getting an installation failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy installation problems in 2026. First, check that your device meets the minimum system requirements for AppFlowy. Installation issues can occur if your operating system or hardware isn't compatible with the latest version. Next, make sure you're downloading AppFlowy from the official source. Incomplete or corrupted installation files can cause setup failures before the installation process finishes. Another common fix is checking your available storage space. If your device doesn't have enough free space, AppFlowy may fail to install properly. Before running the installer again, restart your computer. A fresh restart can clear temporary system issues that may interfere with software installation. Error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix AppFlowy installation failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking system requirements, freeing storage space, running the installer with proper permissions, and downloading a fresh installer will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.